Welcome to our comparison of two powerful graphics cards, the XFX Speedster SWFT 210 Radeon RX 6600 and the PNY GeForce RTX 5070. Today, we'll dive into their specifications, performance, and features to help you decide which GPU is the best fit for your gaming needs. We'll explore their cooling systems, memory capacities, and overall value for gamers. Let's get started. When it comes to performance, the XFX Speedster SWFT 210 Radeon RX 6600 is designed for efficient 1080p and 1440p gaming, making it a solid choice for budget-conscious gamers. It features 8 GB of GDDR6 memory and a boost clock of up to 2,491 MHz. In contrast, the PNY GeForce RTX 5070 takes performance to the next level with its 12 GB of GDDR7 memory and a boost clock of 2,587 MHz, making it ideal for high-resolution gaming and demanding applications. The RTX 5070 also supports advanced technologies like DLSS and ray tracing, providing a significant edge in modern gaming scenarios. Cooling is crucial for maintaining performance during intense gaming sessions. The XFX Speedster SWFT 210 features a dual-fan cooling system that effectively dissipates heat, ensuring stable performance. On the other hand, the PNY GeForce RTX 5070 is equipped with a triple fan system, which enhances airflow and cooling efficiency even further. This means that while both cards are designed to keep temperatures in check, the RTX 5070's cooling system may provide better thermal management under heavy load. Price is always a consideration for gamers. The XFX Speedster SWFT 210 is priced at $279, making it an attractive option for those on a budget. In contrast, the PNY GeForce RTX 5070 comes with a higher price tag of $549. While the RTX 5070 offers superior performance and features, the RX 6600 provides excellent value for gamers who want solid performance without breaking the bank. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your budget and gaming needs. In conclusion, both the XFX Speedster SWFT 210 Radeon RX 6600 and the PNY GeForce RTX 5070 have their strengths. The RX 6600 is a great choice for budget gamers, while the RTX 5070 is perfect for those seeking top-tier performance and advanced features. We hope this comparison has helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming content.